I've never touched a GoPro before. Oh God! Oh God! You're like a spider or something.
Here, it's in the right hands now that a cool person has it.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You're filming.
Hey, you gotta aim it towards you.
You gotta aim it, girl.
No, I don't want to be in it.
Oh, aim it with us then.
Well, hold it.
We're gonna get eaten by mosquitoes. We should put lights
Hey,
around.
go get some intel from the girls up there. Go record them. They're talking junk about it.
Oh God.
Does this extend even more? Or just... Sky view. Hey guys. Honey, turn around. Wave at the camera. It's over your head.
Mickey, turn around.
I'm gonna zoom in on your hair. Zoom in on your red hair.
Lauren, look up. Man, you guys, y'all married some straight up cool guys.
Look at that thing.
I know y'all think we're dorks, but we're really not.
You really are.
Avery, you're in the video. Well, say hi.
He was talking about wearing his headlamp. He was like, "Don't worry, I'll put it on nerd mode where it blinks."
Here's our
on the
apartment.
walk home.
Sissy's shy.
You tired?
We've created a moment.
No. What are you doing?
We're making a video of Kinley going in hitters.
Let Avery hold it. No. Let Avery hold it. Let Avery hold it.
Kinley just figured out what Hooters means
I can't
tonight.
wait to see Andy with the GoPro after a couple of beers and some drinks.
Y'all go in.
Come on. We've been here before.
Wave to the camera, Avery.
What's up, YouTube? Derek, YouTube channel Fast FZ09 down here at Wrightsville Beach. Out on the boat this weekend. Got Andy, our captain. Howdy. Nate. What's up? Nikki.
Hi.
Kinley. She's too cool for us.
Avery.
Avery. Hey. She's too cool. I about fell off. Lauren.
Hey.
I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be.
Kinley, say what up.
Working like a dog all
What
day,
up?
working for me. I wish I had a rich uncle that'd kick the bucket and I was sitting on a pile like Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. They call me redneck, white trash, and blue collar, but I could change all that if I had a couple $1 million. I keep hearing that money is the root of all evil, and you can't fit a camel through the eye of a needle. I'm sure that's probably true, but it still sounds pretty cool, 'cause it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat to float down on the water with a beer. I hear the Powerball lotto is sitting on 100 mil. Well, that'll buy me a brand new rod and reel, and it can buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It could buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat.